If your outfits make you feel frumpy, shapeless, or just boring, you're not alone. I used to think staying warm meant sacrificing style until I realized I was making these 10 critical mistakes. And honestly, number 7 completely changed how I dress in cold weather. Let's dive in. We're talking about the most common winter fashion mistakes that are probably hiding in your closet right now. The good news, they're all super easy to fix. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's transform your winter wardrobe together. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more style tips like this. Mistake number 1, wearing the wrong coat length for your body type. Here's the thing, not all coat lengths flatter every body type, and this is something I see constantly. If you're petite, those trendy, oversized, ankle length puffer coats can completely overwhelm your frame and make you look shorter. Instead, try a coat that hits at mid thigh or just above the knee. It creates a better proportion and actually makes you look taller. On the flip side, if you're tall, don't be afraid of longer coats. They look incredibly chic on you and create that elegant, elongated silhouette. The key is finding that sweet spot where the coat ends at a narrower part of your body, whether that's your waist, hips, or knees. Mistake number 2, layering with all bulky pieces. This is the fastest way to look like you're drowning in fabric. I get it, we want to stay warm, but piling on thick sweater after thick sweater creates unnecessary bulk and kills any shape you have. The solution? Think thin to thick. Start with a thin fitted base layer like a silk or merino wool camisole or turtleneck. Then add your thicker pieces on top. This way, you're staying just as warm, but you're maintaining a streamlined silhouette. Also, try the rule of thirds. If you're wearing a chunky sweater on top, pair it with fitted pants or a sleek skirt on the bottom. Balance is everything. In winter styling, and this simple trick will make you look so much more polished and intentional with your outfits. Number 3, ignoring your winter color palette. Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean your wardrobe needs to be a sea of black, gray, and navy. Yes, these are classics, and they're definitely practical, but wearing only dark, muted tones all winter can actually make you look washed out and tired, especially if you have lighter skin or hair. Don't be afraid to incorporate winter-appropriate jewel tones like emerald green, ruby red, sapphire blue, or even rich burgundy. These colors are seasonal, sophisticated, and they actually make you glow. If you're not ready to commit to a full colored coat or sweater, start small with accessories. A burgundy scarf, emerald earrings, or a cranberry beanie can completely transform a neutral outfit and make you look more vibrant and alive. Mistake 4, wearing summer fabrics in winter. This might sound obvious, but I see it all the time. Cotton t-shirts, thin polyester blouses, summer weight denim. These fabrics just don't cut it in winter. Not only will you be freezing, but they also look out of season. Instead, embrace winter weight fabrics like wool, cashmere, flannel, corduroy, velvet, and thicker knits. These materials not only keep you warmer, they also have a visual weight to them that looks appropriate for the season. Your outfits will instantly look more cohesive and seasonally appropriate. And here's a pro tip. Invest in at least 1 or 2 quality pieces in these fabrics rather than 10 cheap pieces. A good wool sweater or cashmere scarf will last you years and always look expensive. Number 5, forgetting to accessorize properly. Accessories are absolutely crucial in winter because they're functional and fashionable, but so many women just throw on whatever that hat or scarf is closest without thinking about the overall look. Your winter accessories should complement your outfit, not clash with it or look like an afterthought. If you're wearing a minimalist sleek coat, add interest with a chunky knit scarf or a statement beanie. If your coat is already detailed or textured, keep your accessories more streamlined. Also, don't underestimate the power of a great pair of gloves, a structured hat, or even a beautiful brooch on your coat. These small touches make you look put together and like you actually thought about your outfit, even on the coldest mornings. Mistake 6, wearing the wrong boots for your pants. This is a huge one. The way your boots interact with your pants can make or break your entire outfit. If you're wearing ankle boots with cropped or full-length pants, make sure there's no awkward gap showing your ankle in sock. That gap breaks up your leg line and can make you look shorter and less polished. Either wear boots that come up high enough to meet your hem, or tuck your pants into your boots for a seamless look. For knee-high boots, they look best with skirts, dresses, or skinny jeans tucked in. Avoid wearing them with wide-leg pants unless the boots are slim enough to fit underneath without bunching. Number 7, and this is the game changer I mentioned, not defining your waist. This is hands down the biggest mistake I see in winter styling. When you're layering and bundling up, it's so easy to create a boxy, shapeless silhouette where you lose all definition. Even if you're wearing oversized pieces, you need to create some structure. Use belts over your coats, cardigans, or even over your sweaters. Tuck in your sweaters, even if it's just a partial front tuck. Choose coats that are tailored or have a belt built in. This simple act of defining your waist, even subtly, completely transforms how put together and flattering your outfit looks. Trust me, once you start doing this, you'll never go back. Mistake 8. Buying coats purely for warmth without considering style. Yes, warmth is important, but you're going to be wearing your winter coat almost every single day for months. It's essentially the focal point of every outfit you wear outside. Investing in a coat that's both warm and stylish is worth it. Look for classic silhouettes that flatter your body type, colors that complement your wardrobe, and details that make you feel confident. A well-fitted wool coat, a chic puffer in a structured silhouette, or a timeless trench with a liner can all keep you warm while looking amazing. Don't settle for something that makes you feel frumpy just because it's practical. Number 9, wearing tights that don't match your outfit's vibe. This is subtle but important. Sheer black tights with heavy winter boots and a chunky sweater looks mismatched because the delicate tights don't match the weight of the rest of the outfit. In winter, opt for opaque tights, fleece-lined tights, or even wool tights that have more visual and actual warmth. They look more intentional and seasonally appropriate. Also, don't be afraid to try colored or textured tights like burgundy, forest green, or cable knit patterns. They add personality to your outfits and keep things interesting when you're wearing dresses and skirts all winter long. Mistake number 10. Finally, mistake number 10, not rotating your winter wardrobe. Wearing the same 3 outfits on repeat because you're uninspired is so common in winter. The solution? Do a mini capsule wardrobe refresh. Pull out all your winter clothes at the start of the season, try things on, and create new combinations you haven't worn before. Mix pieces in unexpected ways. That oversized sweater could be a sweater dress with tights and boots. That summer slip dress can be layered over a turtleneck. Getting creative with what you already own makes winter dressing fun again and helps you maximize your wardrobe without spending money. So there you have it, 10 winter style mistakes you're probably making and exactly how to fix them. Which mistake were you guilty of? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more styling tips. I post new videos every week to help you look and feel your best, no matter the season. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.